welcome to our new vlog.
Today we are doing
Indian players review. So our new partner has joined us. His name is Daivik.
So first we are gonna start with
Rohit Sharma.
Indian T20 squad. ODI squad we gonna start.
Blue.
In ODI squad we gonna start next day or some week. So first player is Vaibhav Sooryavanshi. He played very nice in T20 recent game with Zimbabwe. We won the match, all the three matches. So he is a kind of good player.
No comments about him.
He's
But
a good
he
player.
has to look and play. He just tries to hit and he becomes out also sometimes.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yep. So he has to practice how to hit and powerful six with international bowlers.
He just plays with Prasidh Krishna and Rashid Khan. That's it. That and all every Indian player can play. So next is Shreyas Iyer.
Yeah. He is a captain of T20 squad. He plays good. He also plays good.
But he has to hit more runs.
Yep. That's the main problem of him. Then Gautam Gambhir. He is kind of
Okay.
because his coaching is kind of okay.
So actually he was a nice player. But coaching is okay.
Kind
That's it.
of, and he is even telling Rohit Sharma to retire. It's kind of bad thing, no?
So next is
Shubman Gill.
Shubman Gill. Okay, he will also play.
Next is Tilak Varma.
Yeah, the best
Player.
player in the squad. So Tilak Varma is the best he can play. Actually, he must be a all-rounder also. It would be nice.
Hardik Pandya.
Hardik Pandya,
Okay.
okay. Level he plays. When we need him, he plays nicely.
Nice.
But bowling also he takes many wickets. Next is Prasidh Krishna? No.
Prasidh Krishna.
Prasidh Krishna.
He
He's a-
plays also nice. Prince Yadav, Siu. Bro, we plays 100 to 100, bro. How many wickets? How many bounces? Super, bro. He is.
Actually, in the squad, they did not take any RCB players only. Like Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, then Krunal Pandya. So that's okay.
But in test we have DDP Devdutt Padikkal.
Yes. So T20 squad bowlers.
We already told.
Washington.
Bumrah.
Washington Sundar.
Bumrah.
Yeah, Bumrah. Boom, Bumrah. Boom, Bumrah.
Boom, Bumrah.
So he is a pro bowler. And next Washington Sundar. He is a all-rounder. He plays nicely.
Batting also nice, bowling
Bowling
also
also
nice.
nice.
So thank you for watching. Like and share and subscribe. Bye.